Kongit Zomi ulanao expanding your horizon pan muak leo leo ing. Manglai pen Zomi sunga athei vet ten thei bekin arang tang pi in. Kitil thei zo tak tak lo chi ding hi Facebook le social media tunga I manglai ate en leng kimu thei hi athei sun sun lak pan zong subject verb le object position man lo active voice le passive voice can tel theilo adjective le verb can tel theilo chi kitam lai ma ma hi hite pen kagen zelma magin ineolaya kipan secondary education kichian inga hanglu man ahilal hi tam zo pen education system hoilo huna akikhang khia hi man nahi hi kichian le tel taka hoi ling sia sia ma nga hangei lo nei khalo hi man zong ahih tua hi in US Europe Mangpau Manglai zat nagam tom toma itun hangin kum tampi takiten ke hangin zong nisim nek tom na set to ki boy chip ai manin hi Mangpau Manglai language lam to kisai ki khang to zo tuan hello hi pen iminam sunga isum na len pi khat ong suak hi tuni online tungpan Manglai Bucing Bangcih sin ding chi thu hom son maming Koimah men zong kazat le hoi kasak ma khat ahih native speakers te I hong hil na online resources te hom son ka hi be hi khalani ading in phatom na om khak le chi nim na pulpi zong ahih tuni ilai sinadi website pe www.englishlink.com ahih www.englishlink.com pen tel koi ding hi le hang Manglai to kisai speaking grammar listening pronunciation reading vocabulary chi te kisin the hi in basa pen sign of coding like manina first name last name chi te email address chi te akipan taka khenin changina Mangpau khat tel ding ai sia lel hi email address te khen ding confirm ding in yom tulai tak yom na gam ite pen do aman tek at kulo hilali ina informational purpose hilalina to ten he be khit tak changina sign up mek ding hilehang tun di English link account sign up khin zwakta Isai of hit takte asung hibangina kimuthehi in pick unit G Manglai hang itaka elementary pre-intermediate intermediate upper intermediate business English G na level tampi hin na ongnei uhi itaka ke mimali ho isang na bang again ding hileng elementary unit 1 pan kipan nge dingin foundation ma pan kipading kay mimang huna ko isa ina lesson 1 mek ding bang hile hang tun nitaka isin ding teng ama pula khia hi hibangina kimuthei ding hi start your lesson chi imek tak chiangina hibangina kimuringa lesson hem pe wa ma worksheet zong ni taka na bo sa to worksheet te I download hamtang ding to pi hi ina I download ding na worksheet.
Welcome to your elementary class. This is Unit 1, Lesson 1. I'm your teacher. My name is Leslie. Today we will study some new words, practice spelling and speaking. Did you print worksheets A, B? I like meeting new people. Meeting people is fun. Look at the pictures of the people meeting. Please match the picture to the word. Begin. Here are the answers. Please look. Number 1 is B, bow. Listen and repeat. Bow, bow. Shake hands, shake hands.
Hi website I structure dan pen hoi mahi etua imu bangina elementary sunga unit teng hem pe ihit masia pre-intermediate kipan theilo ding toma bangina pre-intermediate iman masia intermediate kipan theilo ding chidan ahih ina hipen bucing taka Innpan Manglai sinna ahih manina iman hununa sin jedingina honghan thon noming Koimah ma zong asin sin lai kahihi ina bek pi tua tunglaming